This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Margot Percent 20 Done. Welcome home to this stunning completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath maintenance-free 1-level gym. Step through your new front door to discover fresh interior paint, updated interior and exterior lighting, including ceiling fans and plush new carpet in bedrooms. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a brand new gas stove, with a recently installed gas line, newly installed granite countertops, new microwave and new sink, which opens up seamlessly to the inviting dining and family room area with cozy wood-burning fireplace. Both bathrooms have been beautifully updated with new tile showers, modern vanities, mirrors, new sinks and toilets. Nested in a charming neighborhood with sidewalks and a low HOA that includes lawn care, this home is conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, schools and more. This move-in ready home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Margot Percent 20 Done at 865-693-1111.